In this video, I will show you how to add or upgrade memory on the Acer Aspire A51452G32K1. Model number N19H2. Without further ado, let's get started. Flip the laptop. Then remove all of the screws shown. After all of the screws are removed, open the cover carefully with a hard ID card or stainless steel opening tool. This laptop has memory, 4 GB of onboard DDR4 2400 MHz system memory, upgradable up to 12 GB of DDR4 system memory. Memory slots, 1. Storage, 128 GB NVMe SSD plus 1 TB 2.5-inch 5400 RPM. So, we can now install 8 GB of RAM. This laptop now has a total of 12 GB of RAM. If you are new to this channel, Please consider subscribing, liking, sharing this video, and clicking the notification bell so that, if I have a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching.